Welcome back. This is vlog 11. I'm at Foresty Park or something like that, I think. Right now I'm just flying in this back corner over here. Over there, I don't think you can tell, but just over there, there's a big tower. It's a fire watch tower, so people used to go up there and like watch for fires for their living. It would be a pretty boring job, but I guess it's for some people. I'm not flying over there right now because there's a whole bunch of children and stuff on the playground and around the building. So I don't really want to fly around them because I might scare them and stuff, and I don't really want to like hit someone like that because that would be horrible. Hitting anyone would be very, very bad for me and them. So for now, I'm just flying in this back corner. There's a nice spot. There's a few trees here and there. There's some moss up on top of the trees, but overall, I like the spot. It should be a nice spot to fly, I think. I also bought a new mic. It's a Movo VXR10. It should be better than the GoPro mic, obviously, because you can't really get much worse than the GoPro mic. It's pretty bad, as you can hear now. So when that thing comes in, it should come in Tuesday, so it won't be in this vlog you're watching now, obviously, but it should be in the next vlog for sure. Also, in the future, I'm thinking about creating a new video to upload also. On weekends, it won't be instead of the vlogs or instead of the flight footage. But on weekends, I'm just gonna have like talk times with you guys where we just talk about things like what parks to fly at, what to look for in parks, what not to look for in parks, how to set up like your drone properly, what's better, sim or real life for training, and the difference between like the mindset of a racer versus the mindset of a freestyler. So that should be good. It'll happen on weekends. I'm not sure which days on weekends, and I don't know how consistent it will be. But I plan to just talk with you guys about that on the weekends with the new mic. So I'm waiting for that to come in before I start doing that type of stuff yet. But yeah, on to some flying.
Stay with me. I'm waking up late, drinking all my fears away. I go away with you. If we calm down, I'll carry all the weight while we try to fix this. We'll build something new. But you rip my walls down faster than I knew how. Build them up again. We're all giants trying to answer questions. Why do we feel so small when me feel so small when we're not at all.
Alright, that is the end of vlog 11 for today. I do like this spot. It's a nice spot around here. There's some nice gaps to hit. I like going above through the tree branches and stuff. It's a cool spot here. However, unfortunately, it's really buggy. I got bit by a mosquito there, and that's swelling. I think it's a mosquito or maybe an ant bite, but it's swelling up a lot, and it's all over my ankles. My ankles are all swollen right now, but I'm gonna get out of here decently quickly. But I do like this spot. I like it a lot, actually. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. It's fun to go through the trees and above the tree line up there. That was cool. Over there still is the tower. I'm gonna walk over there so you guys can see what I'm gonna fly around next week. But this is back corner. I'm definitely coming back here again. I like it a lot. I hope you guys like it. I don't really like to push myself a whole bunch back here, because if I begin to push myself, then I start breaking things. So for now, until I get a new quad, which is probably gonna be a little bit from now, so I'm just gonna do the slow flying and stuff that I normally do. So don't expect me to go like full ham, like race mode with like 50 degrees of camera angle back here. I'm just gonna keep doing the normal stuff that I do back here. But yeah, I'm gonna jump over to that tower right now. There it is. There's the tower. It's a Firewatch tower. So people would come here for the job. They'd stay up there and watch for fires all day, and then they'd probably go home to their families if they have one. It'd be a pretty boring job. However, I would take it if I could bring my drone and fly around big forest areas. That would be pretty cool. Also, the range you could get from up there. You could get a good long range setup and go for miles. But this is where I'm gonna be flying tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of stuff through here, but as you can see, there's some ghost branches and stuff right here, and there's a bunch of metal poles everywhere. So I don't think I'm going to be doing a whole lot of flying through here, but you better bet that I'm going to be diving this thing tomorrow, or next vlog rather. So yeah, that's the end for today. As always, onward and upward. Do not hit the soft body targets. That would be very bad.